Yo, what's up? This is Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Biora Therapeutics, ticker symbol BIOR. And so I've gone over this in a couple other videos in the past, which in those videos I laid out these lines that I have drawn here. I did omit a couple and added a couple. Two of those lines that I did add that you can see here are these dashed white lines. Those represent gaps to the upside that could be filled. However, they may never be filled. Who knows? And then also you can see these blue lines, this downtrending parallel channel that a lot of price action has been in over the past half a year. And then also I have this two dashed lines that represent, this one represents support here, and they both kind of converged around this level. And so for the rest of this video, I'm just going to zoom in to the more near-term price action. And so both of those lines converged at this point, right around 265. And so I must say that I do have a small position in BIOR, and I was concerned that this might be a local top. I was hoping it would go higher and break out of this channel. That did not happen. And so I trimmed my position there. And with that, that was almost 30 days ago. And I had sold those shares at a loss. So I'm waiting for 30 days to pass in order to not have a wash sale and then add those shares back in at a lower price, as you can see. And so that would be basically not this coming week, but the following week. And so looking at the chart here, closer zoomed in on the channel, you can see this purple line that I've drawn that had served what seemed like as support, beginning with the low on September 19th of $2, and then also having this touch point on October 17th. Another wick came through there, so 3 touch points. And that did serve as support on November 8th. However, the following trading day broke through, and then it looks like on November 14th, the wick of that candle came up to test that line but was rejected. And since then, the price has gone down. It actually did go up first green day after it looks like 11 consecutive red trading days. So that is kind of exciting. There was a green day on this. However, there have been green days in the past that were followed by more red, more downside. So if this were to be a bear flag, there could be another bear flag or bearish consolidation going on here. And so my thoughts with this are, I'm really just waiting for not this week, but next week to begin. So that would be, I believe, beginning November 27th. That is when I will be able to begin to lower my average. And so I'm really just waiting for then. And so, it's quite possible before then price will shoot up. Who knows? It's also possible it could tank. Just waiting for the FDA approval or rejection, waiting for the FDA's decision. So that will have a big influence on the stock price. And so my stance is that, I'm kind of waiting for this yellow line, 120, to be hit or broken. I'm curious if the bottom part of this channel will be retested again. The last time it was tested was September 19th. It broke through the bottom of that channel, but then has yet to hit the bottom of the channel again. And so my thoughts are that, this is probably going to remain bearish until we cross above either this purple trend line or this orange line at $1.52. $1.52. It should be $1.52.0, but I got a little wonky in putting it there. And so that is based on the high of November 14th. So that wick up represents to me kind of like a topping tail that we need to break above that level in order for this bearish trend to reverse. And so that would be ideally closing above $1.52 and then retracing to this purple line, bouncing from there, And then that could be, a great signal for this to be going upwards. But if we do take a step back, there are, plenty of gaps to the upside to be filled. I think I've drawn 3. Yeah, there's another one at 38.25. There might be some other gaps that I missed, but it is possible that could happen if this does get FDA approval. A lot of these biopharmaceutical stocks can go crazy parabolic, but they also can go to zero if they're rejected from FDA and have to close their doors. So good to be cautious with this one, but it does seem like with this green candle, it'll be an exciting week to see what happens. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot for watching and happy trading.